YouTube? Now we're back with Rule You Press a Button. So, let's go! You can make anyone fall in love with you. Hold on. Bless me. You can make anyone fall in love with you, but the effects are irreversible. So it's like, here, you, yeah, Lily, yeah, be my girlfriend. It's like, no, abracadabra, ooh. Yeah. Yeah, it's like, and then like 5 years later, and then it's like, oh, you're so clingy, go away. Like, but I love you. So I will not. I will not. I'd rather have it natural. Wow. Are you kidding me? You selfish. These take so long. You develop all manners of telekinetic abilities, but you must break contact with everyone you currently know, and you can only watch over them from afar, or form new relationships. No, wait, no. Yeah, that's completely not worth it. Bros before telekinetos. Sounds like a freaking disease. It's like, alright, you can use a superpower to save. I'm so sorry. Hopefully I can fix this issue. Alright, create cures for all diseases, but natural selection no longer works, and everyone is now born sickly to live off medications. Oh. So if everyone's sick, alright, so everyone's sick. See, but so then I'm pretty sure they won't work, which means that they cannot get cures for diseases, because like usually when you get cures for diseases, you have to pay, which is so dumb. So I would not. You'll be changed to look exactly how you wish. You would choose genetics, hair, body, face, shape, blah blah blah. But you forget all your memories, not knowing where your house is, who is your family, etc. No, because if you're older, then you gotta get just plastic surgery. Then get all your looks, and you still keep your memory. I do not want to press the button twice. Oh my gosh, it didn't even work. Alright. Finally, you'll be able to fly, but you will say though opposite of what you want to say. It's like you're thinking, hey, isn't it such a nice day? But outside it's like, bye, it is not a good day. No, plus, I bet like if you're like out of it, like movies, I bet it'll like be so complicated about where you want to fly. Oh crap! What if like you fly, but you want to say the opposite? Like you want to say the opposite, but you say like what you really mean. Crap! The Holocaust never happened, but Hitler wins World War II. No. I'm sorry for y'all Jews, but that's just like instead of this, like it's more like this, and he will probably cause more wars. Yep. Okay. Alright, you can read minds, but you have no privacy ever again. Plus, I would not want to read minds because, like, what if you're like at school and like just hearing like so many thoughts? I would definitely not. Like, I saw this episode of Family Odd Parents where Timmy like has the power to read minds, and then it's like just hurts his brain or whatever. It's just no. Right, you live a perfect life, a good job, plenty of friends, and a soulmate who loves you dearly, but you have to live life as the opposite thing. Actually, if you no, never mind. No, I'm not doing that. I'd rather do it the hard way. I just came here because question number 1,000. Same here too. No, duh. I'm pretty sure it's all random because I'm pretty sure I haven't gotten to 1,000 questions. You gain the ability to fly with no restriction, but Gangsta's Paradise plays on loop in your head while flying. I'm pretty sure I'm guessing that's an old movie, but just I would not, because something stuck in my head while flying. I'll be like, oh, get out of my head, ah! Then hit a building. Then I have to pay somebody money. I see no downside. How was I post this? I'm so sorry. I don't know what that is. Does this touch my shirt? Nope. All right. You learn anything. You learn anything and everything that you could possibly could. All life's questions and are relieved to you, but you cannot in any way communicate with other people. See, you can learn anything and everything. You actually know you learn everything and anything. That's the downside, is that you learn anything, all personal and private data. I would not. Horrible. Horrible. Hehe. Awesome grammar. I know, right? You will become the president of the United States of America. What if I want to be president of Australia? What about London? Huh? Or I mean England? Huh? You ever thought about that, punk? Just kidding. But you're compared to Obama. I'm pretty sure I wouldn't care. Oh, I'll be so busy though being president. About a week ago. So you can talk to animals, but everything you say sounds the same. No, because I would not want to. talk to animals. Like I think they'll understand me. I don't know like how that is, but it's like oh hello little squirrel. It's like f you OP gamer. That'd be so weird. Yeah, I can already talk to animals. They just can't understand me. What sucks is how they have like the good or bad dilemma right there, and then like you could just press the wrong button. Right, you always get the newest iPhone whenever it's released, but 2 hours later you crack the screen, and no matter what, you must wait until the next one releases to get another. I'm sorry for all you iPhone lovers, but I am not a fan of iPhone because it's just there's not many options to it. Like it doesn't give you that freedom like Samsung, HTC, Sony, all those Android phones do. So for that reason, I'm not. Yay! People agree with me. And the other person was like, Androids are better. Right. World peace, but you die. I will sacrifice that. I'm not even world peace. Let's see, let's see. Alright, no racism. Yeah, this one I really hate that. That's, and like all the other like religious stuff. Like some like candidates like of the election are like saying, "Oh, Muslim people, like all Muslim people are bad because of ISIS and because these are Muslim." Well, shut up. Yeah, I didn't mean that. But are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Wow. How could you? 2,000 people? You have 4 legs but no arms. Hey guys, you wanna know a secret? Two legs just with hands, and two legs with feet. Oh my gosh, this is awesome! That's the dumbest question ever. It didn't say like if you have hands or feet. Are you kidding me? So I am a creeper. Slams button. Oh crap, this person puts wow. The LG is already out. Are you kidding me? Another LG phone. Alright, next. Alright. You'll be given $1 million every 5 years, but 90% of it goes to friend support group. So let's just do a little bit of math here. You'll be left with like about $100,000 every 5 years. So I would not like if I'm like when I'm older, I can like make that much under 5 years. So nope. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh wait, firmness. I thought I said firmness like those like fire things. Dang it, I did not read that question right. Yeah, see, I have to like M's and like RN. I'm so sorry. I would have. Alright, you can live inside any game you choose, but you will be the opposite gender and may never leave it. Alright, I'm pretty sure they'll say like may never leave the game. But let's say I was like in Grand Theft Auto 5, then like you know they have that glitch where you could change the gender. So I would because they didn't say you can change it again. Do you think 59% of the people agree with me? Freeze out 2 times. Become a genius with a lot of money. But only people of your gender find you attractive. Ha! Gay! Kidding. I become a genius. Only people who find me attractive. No. Actually, dang, this is actually a tough one, because, like, they say, like, people of my gender, like, find me attractive, but that doesn't mean I like them. Crap, guess I could just change my, since I have a lot of money, I could, like, probably change, like, how I look, and then have those ladies like me, because I'm a real man. Next one. I just realized most of these like include gender for some reason. You can switch. Oh my gosh, another gender question. You can switch your gender anytime instantaneously, but it's very painful to do so. No, I am very comfortable with my gender. Just watch the next question be about gender. One of them's like, no pain, no gain. If this next one's about gender, I'm ending this video. I'm sorry. Heh, Lenny face. Finally, you are human, but you are also a dancer. Hold on right now. Ten out of 10. Alright. I'll take that. So what's the downside of this? What? What is wrong with you, 28%? Oh, wait. Nah, it didn't say, like, you have to dance all the time. You can control animals with your mind. But when they are finished with their task, they attack you. No, because what if I want to control a zebra and then just like make it dance and make it do a backflip? And then it just starts to attack me. Or have like a lion mate with a zebra and then it's like, ha! A Zion. Or a, let's see, or a Libra. You gain the super strength and can defeat anyone in a fight and lift the heavy things, but you cannot control your own strength, and anyone you hug will be crushed to death. Hey, hey, you guys, you know, there is this, like, little thing, it's called, like, here, let me spell it out for you guys, alright? W, right? E-I-G-H-T. And, oh, wait, I forgot the S. And you know what this spells? Weights, and you have to lift them. Yeah! So I would not. Plus, everyone I hug, my mom just comes home, Mommy, Mommy, Mommy! So, like, for that reason, I would not. I'm just picking good dilemmas because I really don't care. I wonder if they get paid, like, for good things or, like, for choices. All of humanity's lives in peace and prospers. But the white racist is instantly killed. That's racist! I would not. This... Seriously, this person's really racist. Why would you do people like that? So you can travel back in 1985 with 10,000 US dollars to buy Microsoft stock, and sure bet that it will make you a millionaire, but you will die once you have stock purchases, and the only people who will benefit are the ones who you leave the money to in your will. Let's see. I would not. Oh, actually, yes, I would. Actually, because I don't know if like the cost of cure cancer. Just take all the money. Dang. Wow. Wow, 42%. You get to have that thing with any woman you want every day, but you can never talk or see your family again. No! That thing and the thing and the thing and the quotes. Oh gosh. I'm scarred. I'm scared. Where's my mouse? Right there it is. I'm scared. Earth will no longer have any human suffering, but you are not alive to experience this new Earth. How? Oh wait, no, I'm not alive. Oh, I thought like nobody is. So I would do that because like no human suffering. Wait, but what if like all the bad people, like just like movies, like, and like Hitler and all that, but like let's say Darth Vader, like even though he converted to good like towards the end. Sorry if you guys have not seen the Star Wars movie. I'm a Star Wars nerd, but I would not press the button. Alright, you get to have, whatever sexual you want, whenever you want, but your organism, learn to spell, man, are less intense by a factor of 300%, resulting in every little sexual satisfaction. No! What is wrong with you guys? Oh. Gosh. Alright, magic will become real as in the Harry Potter universe, and you get 10,000 free gallons, which I'm guessing is currency. But you will stay in the current place and time you are in now. I haven't watched that much. Oh wait, yeah, I would, because like Harry already killed Voldemort and like that snake guy, whatever his name was. He killed like those two bad guys, and like life is good. I guess it's on my phone. That sucks for you, Apple. You can have anything you want for the rest of your life, but you can only speak to 2 friends, and you will never be able to marry or have a family. Right, have a family. Good thing I don't have to, like, good thing it doesn't give me, like, the option, like, to not see my family. Speak to 2 friends. Oh my gosh, I just realized I have to have. No, I would not. I have so many friends I would love to talk to. Yeah. Again, this is my life. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yum. Yes. Yes. Alright, you'll be you would be a being with demon powers fighting for good and protecting people, but the more you fight, the more demonic you become, until you abandon reasoning, and only death will free you. See, even when protecting people, I have demon powers, but it's fighting for good, and like, I don't know, like, that will corrupt my mind. Like, I'm just like doing it for no reason. I will not press the button. Alright, 2 more questions. Sound of okay. Alright, 50-50. Did I win? Did I win? Oh, come on! Wait, you will be with a wonderful person, great lover and real soulmate, but you must agree for a relationship to be open, which means your love will have that thing with others, so can you. No, she's a hoe. You're a hoe. You're a hoe. And, hey, you? Yeah, you. You're a hoe. Are you kidding me? Alright. You gain the ability to shapeshift into anything, but once every month you will take a stereotypical internet addict to the prom in the living form of their waifu. See, if they're internet addicts, it's they're going to prom. So, how's the punch? Yeah, that was good. So have you watched any movies lately? I watched Twilight. Would like to dance. Hold on, let me finish the text. So, do you want me to grab you more punch? Say that again. Want me to grab you more punch? Sorry. Say that again. No. Plus, I do like that. Like that. Those 2 things are completely different. Wow. Yeah, the highest IQ in the world, but your parents have to watch you as a thing. Oh my gosh! You know what? I'm leaving this question up to you guys. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Shift? No. Enter. Dang it, delete. No, not that button. Control, Windows, all, yellow, orange, pink, Thursday. Forward 15.